How to delete Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete our Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Then just tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the three lines option from the top right, and then just go to settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you can see account center, so make sure to tap on the account center tab. Once you tap on account center, what you want to do is simply go to personal details and now just go to account ownership and control. Now over here select deactivation or deletion, select your Instagram account because we're trying to delete Instagram. After that select delete account because by default deactivate is going to get selected. Tap on that, tap on continue, select your region as a tap on continue, and now just go ahead and enter your password and hit the continue option, and your Instagram account will get successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to delete your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.